And one of the most talked about videos from yesterday's weather, there it is. It shows an SUV being lifted in the air. A homeowner in Hamburg shared this video, and it has already gotten millions of views online. Our Dave McKinley says not only has the video gone viral, but it was vital in confirming that this was indeed a tornado when you understand the science behind it.
Not only is the wind twisting,
thus the turn,
but it's also being forced to the ground. It hits the ground and is being forced back up,
thus the levitation,
which kind of gives it that loft.
The Subaru Outback, owned by Kevin Karras and captured doing the pirouette on his home security camera, weighs anywhere between 3,500 and 3,800 pounds. That's almost 2 tons.
You have about 4 different force directions that is actually taking a 2-ton vehicle and putting it in the sky.
One force directional winds like a microburst or a straight line gust might have pushed the vehicle in one direction, but would not have done this. And this video was key in scientific confirmation that, yep, that was a tornado, all right.
Because the wind didn't come from one direction. It was a swirling wind. It was a suction, if you will, that actually took the vehicle. That wind hits the surface, gets bounced back up, lifts the car, and then twists it around.
Kevin's video was also key in determining what type of twister this was, an EF2 with winds of between 110 and 135 miles per hour. Scientists know that too by knowing what a tornado of larger magnitude might have done.
4s and 5s can take vehicles and launch them and drop them off yards and yards away.
Kevin Karras, whose home security camera captured the footage of his vehicle being pushed around, sent us some more video just this afternoon. You may not have seen it. Another angle from the garage, and boom, there it goes. The SUV being lifted and turned by the powerful force of nature at work. He thinks there's going to be several $1,000s damage to that car. Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.